All right, this is lesson 18 and 19 learning check. Number 1, solve the equation for x. 3x minus 5 equals 6x minus 15 over 3. Use Desmos to help you solve the equation. Negative 20, 10, 15, negative 10. Number 2, which best describes the solution to 3x minus 2 equals 1/2 times 6x plus 4. The solution is x equals 0. There are infinite solutions. There are no solutions. The solutions are 2 and negative 6. Number 3, solve for x. Type your answer in the box. 6 times x minus 2 equals 2 times 2x minus 8. Number 4, which number line represents the solution to negative 4 times x minus 4 greater than or equal to 2 times 3x minus 2? Number 5, which inequality best represents the graph below? Number 6, what is the solution to the inequality negative 5x minus 9 less than or equal to 4x plus 9? Number 7, what is the slope of a line through the points 4, 7 and negative 2, negative 2? Plot these points in Desmos. Remember that the slope is rise over run. 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2, 2 over 3, negative 2 over 3. Number 8, which equation represents the output is 8 more than half the input? Y equals 2x plus 8, y equals 2x minus 8, y equals 1 over 2x plus 8, y equals 1 over 2x minus 8. Just a second. All right, number 9. What is the slope of the horizontal line? Negative 3, undefined, 1, 0. And number 10. If f of x equals x is transformed to become g of x equals x plus 5, what best describes the transformation? The y-intercept changes so that g of x is shifted vertically up 5 units from f of x. The y-intercept changes so that g of x is shifted vertically down 5 units from f of x. The slope changes so that g of x is 5 times as steep as f of x. The slope changes so that g of x is 1/5 times as steep as f of x.